If you accidentally broke a tomato bush while quilting, don't worry. Also, if you want to multiply it, or make thin elongated seedlings become strong bushes, all you have to do is cut off the healthy upper part or a broken twig and put it in water. The roots sprout in after 2 days, and they are ready to be planted in the soil after a week. You can plant the plant even deeper than the roots. It will make the tomato grow more roots, strengthen, gain vigor, and the bush will be thick and stocky. It is also a simple and very effective way to obtain cuttings from the side shoots of the so-called wolves, suckers, which are often removed to obtain a better yield from a given plant. Such seedlings are stronger than those grown from seeds. They are hardened right away, so we can grow them in pots, e.g. on the balcony, or in the ground when there is room left after other vegetables. Seedlings from wolves harvested later will bloom very quickly, and in late summer we will start to collect the first fruits from them.